California's largest utility plans to file for bankruptcy. PG&E faces billions of dollars in liability costs stemming from that state's deadly wildfires. That cut the stock price in half today. Aditi Roy takes a look at what this could mean for both consumers and investors.
A tumultuous 24 hours for PG&E as California's largest utility announced in a regulatory filing this morning that it plans to file for bankruptcy. That filing following the news late Sunday that CEO Geisha Williams is stepping down. Williams had been in the position since 2017. Since then, the utility has grappled with devastating wildfires, including the Camp Fire last fall, which killed at least 86 people, making it the state's deadliest fire in history. In today's filing, PG&E says if it were found liable for the costs of the Northern California wildfires the last 2 years, the liability would exceed $30 billion. That doesn't include punitive damages. The utility services 16 million customers in Northern and Central California. Experts say a bankruptcy would likely not disrupt service, but could increase rates. Some customers say they're unfazed by the prospect of rate hikes.
Not so much they filed for bankruptcy before.
While the utility did file for bankruptcy back in 2001 as a result of the energy crisis, some experts say a bankruptcy today would look very different from the classic Chapter 11 reorganization the utility went through more than a decade ago, since the wildfire risk will continue and perhaps even increase in the future. Insiders say stockholders of the utility would likely be wiped clean, and bondholders might have to fight for their claims in court. The utility could also be broken up. Experts say a bankruptcy judge could decide to separate PG&E's gas and electric businesses. And while all of these issues will likely take years to play out, some customers are already worried about how it will impact their pocketbooks.
It does concern me because with rent in Oakland, that's expensive enough. And for our PG&E to go up, that could cause some problems. I may have to get another source of income.
In addition to the civil liabilities, California's Attorney General and Butte County's District Attorney say they are considering filing criminal charges against the utility. PG&E says it plans to file for bankruptcy on or around January 29th. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Aditi Roy, San Francisco.